A very pleasant good morning to one and all. I am Geeta Amrita Varshini and my roll number is 23KD 1A0499.
Very pleasant good morning, one and all. I'm Indumati. My roll number is 23KD18048.
Very good morning. My name is Sai Teja. My register number is 23KD180 490.
Good morning, I am Harikrishna. My roll number is 23KD10492.
So today we are going to present a topic which is very relevant to our current scenario, that is impact of AI on our jobs, and we are very happy to have a group discussion right now. So imagine now, if you are entering a bank and where there are completely robots answering to your queries, it is not a science fiction anymore. It is going to be real in our world. AI is replacing many jobs today, and we'll be having only two scenarios, like humans with AI and humans replaced by AI. So it is very important topic in our current scenario. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it is such a beautiful point you told that generally AI replacing many of the jobs and AI creating many jobs. It introduces many innovative technologies and people are learning those technologies and getting their own jobs.
Yes.
Yes, what he said is correct. In not only banking sector, all sectors AI comes in front foot. Uh, Recently, I see in a hospital, it is operation theaters. Most of the operations are done by the robot arms, like plasma operations are done by the robotic arms integrated with AI. Coming to the picture, AI not only AI replacing humans, most of what AI can acquire most of the skills like coding skills that only we can survey in that sector.
Yeah, AI plays very crucial role in creating jobs. Like if a HR want to interview the people, AI can easily scan the resume and also the. For example, we have mock interview like Remaster app. In that also we have easily AI can replace by a human and it can assess our skills. What do you think?
Yes, as you are talking about remaster app, really that experience have gave me very much to learn. Like I am able to analyze myself so much. In the previous days, when someone asked me what position you are expecting to be after 5 years, I used to answer them like telling. A designer in VLSI, but I have fixed only a outline for that, but I don't know anything deep into that. But when I have taken this interview from Remaster app, I'm able to analyze myself that I have to learn more in this field again. So, what do you think about that?
Yes, it correct, but we also enhance our skills. Then only we can survive in this sector. Recently, we see most of the jobs are replaced by AI. So we enhance our skills. Then only we get a job in this competitive world.
Yes, I observed that recently TCS also actually people are believing that it is like a government company. If we get a job in it, there is no layoff and all those things. But recently that company also laid off more than 12,000 people. These kind of situations are seeing by us because of this AI.
Yes, you are right. I have also heard that Microsoft is going to lay off some 1 lakh of employees soon. So, AI is both positive, and if you are not updated with the new skills, that is more dangerous even. So, a person should be more updated with recent skills, so he can be more developed in that particular area, and his jobs will also not be laid off. So finally, we want to conclude that AI is everything. AI would be everything in the future. Not only in the education sector, not only in the healthcare, or not only in jobs. AI is everywhere. So if you are not updated with the respective skills, you will be in danger. So, thank you.
Thank
Good morning, everyone. I am Shanti. My registration number is 481.
My registration number is 487.
My registration number is 459.
I'm Hachita and my registration number is 466.
Today we are topic on impact of AI. We have a so many advantages and disadvantages. As automation of repetitive work and save the time and reduce the human errors.
Yes, Ravanti. Nowadays, everywhere we are here only AI. So, in our job life, so like job replacements and also some skill gaps, there are so many impacts on AI due to AI. So, for example, like in healthcare department, so human cannot be detect our inside our diseases like that. So, but in that case, AI easily detect our diseases in simple way and also in simple time. It reduce time. So in that way, so AI, so here as a human being we can detect that disease. So here it in the AI it reduce time and also it works very well. So here I think nowadays AI is very useful and also it works as very efficiently. But some challenges are maybe faced we are in the future like job replacement and also some errors, etc.
Yeah, I agree with your point, and uh, let me explain with an instance. So, in the medical field, some if we are admitted with some leg injury or something, any issue, in the operation theater, it will use with robotic arms. It is also an AI tool. So it will drag and give the support to the doctors also.
Yes, AI is also creates so many jobs like robotics and machine learning and cyber security. So many jobs are created, and it is also negative impact also and positive impact are also there. And the negative impact is it reduces the skills. So person skills also reduce, and
So yeah, agree, and I also agree. It is a and a workplace on the places and the dangerous risks. To use the AI tool, we can reduce the risk and we have a new job creations. We can more faster and time reduce.
Yes, you said correctly. So in Navy we are using AI tools like we are not going for other countries like enemy countries. So in that case we are using AI tools like robotics and also drones. So here AI is using very well. So in that case it is very helpful. But in our particular in our job life, AI it AI created by humans, but it can works very well and also uh, it creates more jobs.
so I agree with your point, but I would like to add some negative impact also. Decision making is not always correct. If any time you ask some questions, it sometimes it gives wrong answer also.
You may be correct, but in my perspective, AI increases the jobs also, like data scientists and robotic engineers. They may allow to lead the mechanism of robotics in AI. So,
And it increases jobs, but it reduces the some people because high skilled persons only take eligible to that job. Low skilled persons are removed.
Yes, you said is correct. Because we are here recently that Microsoft were having a layoff the some of 1 million jobs. So like this way, AI can remove all of the jobs and also it reduces our skills and also it reduces our time. So what about you?
so let us conclude that we have both pros and cons about the topic, impact of AI in jobs. So in that as we use in the way, it will be reflect on our jobs and lives also. So it may be 70% of the pros, 70% of the advantages and 30% of the disadvantages also. So thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, discussion on the topic of impact of artificial intelligence in daily life. Let's discuss about different perspective of everyone. Let me start with different um, uh, backgrounds of AI. Like it improves our efficiency in daily life. It reduces the human errors also. It helps in daily navigation systems and it supports the all the persons in daily life. On-
Yes, building on my friend just said, I would like to enhance it more by adding the different perspectives of AI. AI is evaluating the education system also. It is improving the students who are lacking the mathematics. Like if we don't know how to calculate some numericals, AI is helping from the beginner level to pro level. It is helping too much. And when it comes to our exams, taking our exams an example, before as the student before bringing out the books and reading, ChatGPT is helping us to remind all the topics at once, and it is very super for us. And coming to the other perspective, we are having some language improving apps like AI tools. Uh, and I have recently used an app called Progress, which is AI, and it is evaluating me very well, and it is free of cost also. What do you say? AI is not only useful in education, it is useful in healthcare and jobs and much more. Everyone says AI replaces humans, but that is not true because of AI helps to humans and AI use it to use it to smart. For an example, uh, take a man who is driver to a car, man and self-driving cars. For an example, compare the two persons, man and self-driving car. Uh, as a user, um, what is your way? What is your best in that one? Yes, I am agreeing with you. You told that it can show the shortest path of the distance. Also, yes, more efficient because of computer is more efficient than man. Yes, self-driving cars is helps to the who driving the car, and it detects the some traffic in management, and it is also impact on the social media also, and watch posts and reels we post on the social media, it analyzing our data, and it is also used to the voice assistants and Google assistants like Alexa and Siri. And yeah, you already said education is also more to use people, and it used to like a translation of language and speech to text and text to speech also. In what about? Yeah, that's true. If we study the books, we cannot conclude the answer by seeing that book only. So that if go with the AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, these are the more efficient apps if we use in daily life. As we are the students are very good to see the long videos, we are using black box AI and summarizing the text. That's what the power of AI is. And finally, I want to conclude that AI is not decreasing the jobs, and it is increasing the productivity. It is decreasing the human power and manpower. By decreasing that, we can put our effort in improving like problem solving and other side of the thoughts, and we can develop. Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I am Samyukta and this is my team. We are here to discuss the topic on the impact of AI in life. And I think it's better to discuss in a balanced way. It has many opportunities and as well as the challenges.
Yeah, yes, Samyukta, I'm agreeing with you. Uh, Artificial intelligence has a very impact on everyday life. AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Maps makes our lives more easier. Google Maps suggests us a faster route, and uh, they they predict the traffic. So AI in healthcare also very improved. AI detect disease faster than humans.
Along with that, AI is like we are using in platforms like YouTube and Instagram, where the AI used to analyze the users
history and everything, so it can suggest the content which the user likes. So I think it is useful in that platforms. And along with that, we are using in medical also, like AI is finding what type of disease which doctors take lot of time to identify the disease and give solution.
Yes, I agreeing with you, but I have a small interruption, and I want to tell a how impact on education, because nowadays so many students are using AI, but they are not thinking. Actually, it is uh, reduces our critical thinking, decision makingness, and over dependence on AI is very impactful our life. It decreases our memory power. These are
Yeah,
all.
I got you, dear. That means you're saying that over dependence can actually reduce the human creativity. And present days, we actually saw the news, right? That there are being many layoffs in TCS due to the this AI tool. So, what do you say
And
about?
I want to tell how AI impact on. She said like that AI impact on healthcare. Doctors, AI is very helpful for doctors because
It enhances
it
the.
enhances diagnosis diseases and helps. And I want to tell it helps to bank employers also, because AI is detects fraud and customer support, and these are all benefits from AI for bank employers.
Yeah, it actually helps in finding the scams, and also it plays a major role in cybersecurity, which actually can detect the OTPs which are actually which got to be misused.
Yes, also along with that, nowadays AI is replacing the jobs like which it is used to do the jobs which people do, so it is decreasing the number of employment.
As you said, I was agreeing with that point. AI, more dependence of AI is decreasing job losses. These are all seeing nowadays, because so many TCS employers are decreasing because of more dependence on AI. They are not critically thinking. They are not taking decisions. Decisions.
Yes, of course, everything has a pros and cons. So there is a lot advantage of AI and disadvantages also. So
Yeah, it's like a double-edged sword where we can actually can't take the decision by thinking as if it is useful, or it can be a destroyer.
Finally, I want to conclude as from overall evolution. Next, this AI impact like positive and negative also. When we use AI in properly and responsibly, it will improve our better future life. It gives better future life. And thank you for